Day 13. Vocabulary for travel and transportation and practical conversation. Welcome to Day 13 of our Learn English in 30 Days series. Today's lesson is all about traveling. You'll learn essential vocabulary, practical sentences, and even hear a fun conversation to help you confidently talk about travel and transportation. Let's get started and make learning fun and easy. Lesson focus. Learn useful words and phrases for traveling, booking tickets, and more. 1. Vocabulary for travel and transportation. Airport, a place where planes take off and land. Train station, where trains arrive and depart. Ticket counter, a desk where you can buy tickets. Boarding pass, a document needed to board a plane. Luggage, bags and suitcases used for travel. Itinerary, a plan or schedule for a trip. Departure, when a vehicle leaves. Arrival, when a vehicle reaches its destination. Layover, a stop between flights during a journey. Check-in, the process of confirming your ticket and luggage. Second sentences for practical use. I'd like to book a flight to New York. Where is the train station? How much is a one-way ticket to London? What time does the next bus depart? Do I need to print my boarding pass? Can I check in online? What's the baggage allowance for this flight? Could you help me find my gate? 3. Speaking practice. Common questions and answers. Where can I buy a ticket? You can buy one at the ticket counter or online. How long is the flight to Paris? The flight takes about 7 hours. What's the fare for the metro? It's $2.50 for a single ride. Can you help me with directions? Sure. Where do you want to go? 4. Practical conversation. Example. Situation. Lisa and Mia at the airport. Lisa. Hi, Mia. Finally, the day is here. Are you ready for our adventure to Italy? Mia. Of course, Lisa. I've been counting down the days. Did you check in online? Lisa. Yes, I even printed our boarding passes just in case. Did you pack everything you need? Mia. I think so. Passport, tickets, charger. Wait, did I pack my toothbrush? Oh no, I hope I didn't forget it. Lisa. Don't worry, we can buy one when we land if you did. By the way, what's the gate number? Mia. It's gate 14. We still have some time. Do you want to grab a coffee? Lisa. Great idea. Let's go to that cafe near the departure lounge after grabbing coffee. Mia. So, what's the first thing you want to do in Italy? Lisa. I definitely want to explore the Colosseum. What about you? Mia. I want to try authentic Italian pizza. By the way, did you check the baggage rules? Lisa. Yes, one carry-on and one checked bag. I weighed mine last night. Mia. Same here. Let's head to the gate now. It's better to be early. On the plane after takeoff. Lisa. Wow, the view is incredible. Look at those clouds. Mia. It's like floating above marshmallows. I downloaded a travel guide about Italy. I want to plan our itinerary. Lisa. That's smart. Let's start with Rome, then Florence and Venice. Mia. Perfect. Let's make a list before we land. That's all for Day 13. You now have the vocabulary and phrases to confidently talk about travel and transportation. Don't forget to practice the sentences and conversation in this lesson. If you're new to the series, make sure to check out the previous lessons to learn more. Comment your thoughts below and let us know what you found helpful. See you tomorrow for Day 14. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Learn and Fun. Keep learning and growing.